Good morning, everyone. Are you selling real capital property that is a building of sorts? It is important for you to contact not only your lawyer, but your lawyer and yourself need to make sure that you contact your accountant to make sure that you're not going to get caught in a GST trap. Okay, so if you own a commercial property and a building, let's say, and you are going to sell that said property, you have two options. You can either charge the person that you are selling that property to GST, and they can make it up to them whether or not to get those credits back, or you can save the purchaser a little bit of money and get them to make sure that they are registered for GST prior to the purchase of the sale. That way they can self-assess on that property and not have to pay any of the GST to the government, because they will be claiming both the inputs and the out that GST. Okay, so if you have $1 million building, potentially contacting your accountant could save you $50,000 if you are the purchaser. Now the seller, of course, if they're charging the GST, and they actually do charge the GST on the sale, they're going to receive that money and then remit it to the government on their behalf. But if purchaser is not registered for GST, you sell the commercial real property and you forget to put GST on there on that sale, they will charge you the GST as if it was in fact on that sale. Okay, so that is a huge trap that some people do get caught in. I have seen it, not often, but I have seen it done. And if the purchaser, and this is not legal advice, but if the purchaser has said, yes, we will self-assess on GST, it's important to make sure that you have their GST number, and then you make sure that it's valid, as well as in that contract, again, not legal advice, just what I've seen, make sure that there's a clause that indemnifies you, the seller, from said GST if the CRA would ever come back to you. Okay, so you can go after the purchaser if something there happens. Okay, so I hope that helps. Winter is finally upon us. Take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of your friends, and be well.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok, all of which are linked in the description below. We're more than just an accounting firm. We do business consulting and media creation for our small businesses. Consider checking us out. It would really mean a lot. Hope to see you soon.